Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 23, and we're diving into the exciting world of web scraping. In this video, we'll cover an introduction to web scraping, using the requests library to fetch web content, and parsing HTML with BeautifulSoup. Ready to explore the web in a whole new way? Let's get started. Web scraping is the process of extracting data from websites. It allows you to collect large amounts of data from the web, which you can then analyze and use for various purposes. For example, you might want to scrape product information from an e-commerce site, collect news articles from different sources, or gather weather data from multiple locations. However, it's important to respect the website's terms of service and robots.txt file to ensure you're not violating any rules or causing harm to the server. To start web scraping, you first need to fetch the web content. We can do this using the requests library, which is a simple and easy-to-use HTTP library for Python. Here's how you can fetch a web page using the requests library. In this example, we use requests.get to fetch the content of the web page at the specified URL and print the HTML content. You can also check the status code to ensure the request was successful. A status code of 200 indicates that the request was successful, while other codes can indicate various types of errors. After fetching the web content, the next step is to parse the HTML. For this, we'll use BeautifulSoup, a powerful library for parsing HTML and XML documents. Here's how you can parse HTML using BeautifulSoup. In this example, we create a BeautifulSoup object from the HTML content and use the prettify method to print the nicely formatted HTML. Now, let's extract specific elements from the HTML. For instance, let's say we want to extract all the hyperlinks from the page. In this example, we use the find underscore method to find all tags, which represent hyperlinks, and print their ref attributes. You can also extract other elements like headings, paragraphs, or images using similar methods. These methods allow you to target specific elements and extract the data you need from the web page. And there you have it, folks, an in-depth look at the basics of web scraping with Python. You've learned how to fetch web content using the requests library and parse HTML with BeautifulSoup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 24. Keep coding and happy scraping.